Hi there, today we're checking out the VEVOR treestand safety rope, a 30-foot lifeline designed for hunters and climbers. This rope features a 30 kilonewton braking strength, meeting ANSI safety standards to keep you secure at height. Made from high-strength polyester with a durable braided design, it offers excellent abrasion resistance and comes in a camouflage color for stealth. The Lifeline includes 2 sliding Prusik knots that move easily, but lock instantly if you fall. You also get 2 robust carabiners with a 20 kilonewton braking strength and silencers for a quiet setup. Setting it up is simple. Just wrap the rope around the tree and thread it through the loop above your stand. This safety rope ensures reliable support and peace of mind during your outdoor adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.